Now, more than ever, the world needs clean laundry. As we all come together to fight the spread of COVID-19, laundries are one of our first lines of defense. These laundries play a critical role in the health of our communities by giving millions of families a safe place to wash and dry their clothes each and every day. In this trying time for individuals, businesses, and communities, it is important for everyone to maintain the best level of cleanliness and hygiene possible. Regular cleaning is the best way to stop the spread of this disease. For families without in-home laundry, maintaining access to laundromats is a critical health concern. Laundry owners around the world are doing their part to provide safe access to clean laundry. To those of you on the front line, continuing to offer laundry services and going above and beyond to keep your stores open, thank you for continuing to invest in and serve your communities. The entire Dexter family stands ready to do what we can to support you. To the network of Dexter distributors around the world, thank you for doing what you can to make a difference and ensuring that these vital laundry businesses can stay open and available. We're all in this together. We're all an essential part of the solution. Stay clean, stay safe, and stay healthy.